What it do? It's your boy Beat Me back at it again with another shoe review. And today, as you can see right there, what we got? We got the Broil. We got the Broil 13s. I'm about to tell y'all what I think about it. Stay tuned. Now, right off the bat, there is something I didn't like about these Broil toes. What I didn't like about them was this toe box. This is not leather, man. This looks like glued on paper. Look at that. Can you see that? Synthetic leather? Jordan brand, why? Why? For $190? Is that why? Want to raise the price to $225? Will that get us real leather? I just want to know. The fans want to know. The people, inquiring minds would like to know. Will that get us leather toes? I don't know. But other than that, the shoe is flawless. The shoe is flawless, my people. You got mesh up here. 3M mesh. Suede on the midsole. Black paws that resemble a jaguar. I think this is more suede. That nubuck they be using is real rugged, real tough. This has got to be suede. And we got the synthetic leather toe. Got the Jordan right here. 13 on the back. And we got the felt tongue, blue Jumpman, blue suede all around the shoe. And the outsole we have white traction pods with carbon fiber. And we have the blue Jumpman jewel right here. All around, like I said, quality craftsmanship. Wasn't bad. Outside of this paper toe box, I wasn't really sure how I was going to feel about them in pictures. I really didn't like them, but once I got them in hand, it definitely changed my tune. Other reason I like them is the soles are black. I do have the gray toes and I have the black cats. They're all white. This right here is black. So really, I ain't got to worry about it. If they get dirty, they get dirty, but I can't see it. And I remember my black ones, I tried to clean them. Man, it just kind of, it scrapes away those dots and it just doesn't look, it doesn't look good to me. Retail price $190, size 11. Comfort is on 10. It has zoom air in the forefoot and the back. It's only right your boy gets you an on-feet view. So let's get to it. You guys let me know what you think of these down below in the comments. Were you able to pick these up? Ooh! I know y'all saw these on feet. They kind of fly. Kinda. These are fire. These are nice. They're not bad, man. I like them. I'm glad I was able to pick these up last minute from Champs. I thought I'd get a cancellation email the next morning, but what I get? I got these in the mail right before Christmas. For sure. Hopefully we're gonna try to do a vlog for 2020 end of the year vlog, man. Be sure to check out more shoe reviews over here and more vlogs over here. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Be easy. One thing about it, two things for sure, three things for certain. Your boy B-Me's a beast. So let's go.